As soon as most people leave school, they are given a single piece of financial advice that sounds responsible, safe, and intelligent. Get a job, save your money, avoid risk, and everything will work out. It sounds logical, it sounds mature, and it sounds like the kind of advice that should lead to wealth. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If saving money were the path to becoming rich, then the hardest working people in society would already be wealthy. Teachers, nurses, civil servants, and factory workers would all retire early. Anyone who followed the rules long enough would eventually win. That clearly isn't happening. And if this topic already challenges what you've been taught, make sure you subscribe to JeffTube Finance, because this channel exists to tell you the financial truths schools and society never explain properly. Saving money alone has never made people rich. That doesn't mean saving is useless. It means saving has been misunderstood. Most people treat saving as the goal. The wealthy treat saving as a temporary holding place, and that difference changes everything. Let's talk about something most people never question: what money actually is. For most of human history, money represented real value, like gold, silver, land, or commodities. You could exchange currency for something tangible. Money was simply a more convenient way to trade value. That system no longer exists. Today, money is fiat currency. It is not backed by gold or silver. It is backed by trust, government policy, and centralized control. Your money has value because the system agrees that it does. This matters more than people realize. Because when money is no longer tied to something scarce, it can be created. And when money can be created, its value can be diluted. That's exactly what inflation is. Inflation is not just prices going up. It's your money quietly buying less every single year. In 2026, inflation is not a temporary problem. It is structural and built into the system. Housing rises faster than wages. Education rises faster than savings. Healthcare rises faster than income. Assets rise faster than cash. So while you feel responsible for saving, the system is quietly pulling away from you. And if this is already opening your eyes, pause for a second and subscribe to JeffTube Finance, because this channel is about helping you stay ahead instead of reacting too late. Saving money feels safe because it gives you a sense of control. You open your bank app and see the number increase. It feels reassuring. But what you don't see is what your money is doing, or rather, what it is not doing. Money in a savings account is idle. Idle money does not grow. Idle money does not compound. Idle money does not protect your future. It simply sits there while time passes, and time is the most dangerous enemy of money that isn't working. Now, some people hear this and think the solution is spending. They think if saving is bad, then they should enjoy their money now. That's another trap. We live in a consumption-driven economy designed to extract money from you as efficiently as possible. Advertising, social media, subscriptions, and lifestyle pressure are engineered to keep you spending. Spending gives short-term pleasure but zero leverage. Once the money is gone, it's gone. Saving delays. Spending eliminates opportunity, but investing creates leverage. This is where the mindset shift happens. Wealthy people don't focus on how much money they have. They focus on how much value their money can create. Money is not the reward, money is the tool, and tools are meant to be used. That doesn't mean reckless risk. It means intentional allocation. Some money should protect you, some money should grow you, some money should educate you. But money that does nothing is wasting your time. And if this way of thinking resonates with you, make sure you're subscribed to JeffTube Finance, because we break these ideas down step by step without hype or false promises. One of the biggest lies people are taught is that wealth requires massive income first. It doesn't. Plenty of high-income earners are broke. Plenty of average earners build wealth. The difference is not income, it's structure. People without systems spend more as they earn more. People with systems grow regardless of income level. Wealth is built through repetition, not luck. Another dangerous belief is waiting until you feel ready. Ready usually means comfortable. Comfortable usually means late. The people who win financially don't wait for certainty. They start small, learn fast, and adjust. Opportunity cost is invisible but brutal. Every year your money sits idle is a year of lost compounding. Every year you wait is a year. Assets become more expensive. Every year you hesitate, the gap widens. In 2026, access to wealth-building tools has never been easier, yet financial literacy remains dangerously low. People are taught how to earn money, not how to deploy it. That's not an accident. A population that saves quietly, works endlessly, and retires late is predictable. A population that understands ownership, leverage, and compounding is not. This channel exists to help you become the second type. So if you haven't already, subscribe to JeffTube Finance. Saving is not evil, but saving without strategy is expensive. Your emergency fund is protection. Your investments are progress. Your skills are leverage. The goal isn't to avoid risk forever. The goal is to take intelligent risk early, when time is on your side. Money that works compounds. Money that sits decays. Money that teaches you multiplies. The biggest mistake people make is thinking wealth is built later. It isn't. Wealth is built slowly, quietly, and early. And the saddest part is that most people don't lose money. They lose time. Time they can never get back. Once you understand this, fear loses its grip. You stop chasing safety and start building resilience. That's when saving stops being the goal and starts being the foundation. Foundations are meant to support growth, not replace it. This is exactly what we teach here on JeffTube Finance. How to think long-term, act intelligently, and avoid the traps that keep people stuck. Money is not meant to be hoarded, it's meant to be deployed. The people who win financially are not the smartest. They are the most consistent. They understand that doing nothing is also a decision, and often the most expensive one. So if you want to build wealth in 2026 and beyond, don't just save money. Learn how to make it move. Subscribe to JeffTube Finance and let's build smarter together.